Today's topic is...
Who is WAYPN and what's the plan?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to WAYPN. I'm Cal.
I'm Sunny.
And that's who is...
WAYPN, or What Are You Painting Now?
Our channel focuses on what some other podcasts have called broad tutorials.
That means we cover topics that focus more on the fundamentals of painting rather than specific techniques.
Topics such as...
Color theory,
color psychology,
design fundamentals.
We also have entertaining series such as...
design versus law,
what your schemes say about you,
and how to get better at painting.
You may also notice the rate at which we speak. That's because we don't want to waste a second of your time.
That means we don't pad any of our episodes, so some episodes might be 7 minutes long, some can be over an hour.
We also believe in humane design.
That means our episodes follow the same structure as a movie.
Intro.
We tell you what it's about.
Subject.
Tell you about the topic.
Conclusion.
Tell you what we told you.
And we always end with,
keep those brushes wet.
Thank you for sticking around for the plan.
We have to be away during the month of February.
And this has also become the cutoff date for our channel. This is where we make or break.
Our videos have stalled at 2,000 views per video,
despite having 22,000 subscribers.
However, there's good news for you.
We always keep our promises, and we have promised to finish all of the legions in design versus law.
Starting from this week till February, we're going to be exclusively doing design versus law videos.
This is part of our two-part plan to get this channel back on track.
We're asking for you to share these videos vigorously on social media if you'd like us to continue with WAYPN.
The other part of this is an opportunity for other creators.
We have been highlighting other creators, but what we're looking for are collaborators for the month of February.
We're looking for creators of a similar size to us.
How do you get in contact with us? Leave a comment in the comment section below, or you could join our private Discord server for only $2 a month through the Ko-Fi link.
Speaking of, we have both YouTube and Ko-Fi memberships. Joining YouTube gets you early access to videos as well as that private Discord link.
And if you sign up for a higher tier, you can get access to STL files and exclusive videos.
It's a pretty basic plan, giving you guys what you want the most, fulfilling our promise, and asking for help.
So please like, comment, and most importantly, share.
And if you feel especially passionate about WAYPN, please
join us as a member. If we can get just another 50 members, WAYPN will still be viable for us.
Thank you for being a part of this journey.
And as always,
keep those brushes wet.